Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodi. Welcome to your channel PHP for Beginners. Today we will learn some basic functions of PHP. So there are some basic functions in PHP. We will learn one by one. Now please start from ucfirst. That functions will convert the first letter of our string in uppercase. Now see the result. Here you can see T in uppercase. Okay. Now we will check on next functions. Strlen. Strlen function will count all the letters and space of our string. So we will check the result. Here we can see the result. It's 11. Means this string length is 11. Now we will see on next function string word count. That functions will return us the word count, means how much word in our string. Let's see the result. 2 means our string have 2 words. Now we will check our next functions. String to upper. String to upper functions will convert all the letters in uppercase. Here you can see the result. Okay. Now we will show string to lower functions. String to lower functions will convert all the strings letter in lowercase. This is the result of string str to lower functions. Now we will see the string reverse function. String reverse functions will reverse or string. Here you can see the result. Now we will see ucword functions. The ucword functions will convert first letter of all the words of our string in uppercase. We will check this. Sorry, ucword function. Here you can see the result. The first letter of every words in capital letter. Now we will check string replace functions. We will use string replace functions for change any words of our strings. Means there is a string test new record. If you want to change new from previous, so we will use string replace functions, and there are 3 parameters in this function. First parameter is which word you want to replace. Second parameter is which word you want to replace from, and third is on string. So we will see the result. Here you can see previous, and our string is test new record. We have replaced that new from previous, so we have got test previous record. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.